Learning English is a rewarding journey, and starting with the basics is essential. Begin by mastering basic grammar rules, familiarizing yourself with common vocabulary, and learning frequently used phrases. Daily practice is crucial. Dedicate time each day to read, write, speak, and listen in English. Incorporating language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone into your routine can provide interactive and engaging methods of study. Watching English movies and TV shows with subtitles can enhance listening skills and comprehension, while reading English books, newspapers, and online articles helps expand vocabulary and understanding. Joining language exchange groups or finding a language partner offers the opportunity to practice speaking. Listening to English music and podcasts can help you become accustomed to various accents and colloquial expressions. Furthermore, writing regularly in a journal, composing essays, or participating in online forums can further develop your writing skills. Taking structured classes, online or in person, provides structured learning and valuable feedback. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Language learning takes time, so stay dedicated and keep practicing.